Hi, thanks for watching this video for our recovery truck stroke car transporter. So this has been our truck. We've owned it for 13 years. I say us, I'm the only person who's ever driven it while it's been here. It's not been used for recoveries, it's been used to collect our cars, which have mainly been Audi TTs, Golf GTIs and that type of thing. Always tried to keep it looking really presentable. We had a private plate on. I think you'll agree it looks a lot newer than it actually is. So it's a factory 163 BHP. We bought it as a flatbed lorry and we took it to Sapcote Commercials, which I think is one of the best bodybuilders, and we had it made especially for lowered cars, which is why the angle is as it is. Maintained it regardless of cost, and previous to this truck I used to swap my trucks every 12 to 24 months, and I just couldn't get rid of this one because it's just literally done everything it should for us. It's been absolutely fantastic. A few years ago, as with VWs, it started to corrode on the wings and the doors, so I bought brand new doors, genuine VW, brand new wings. It's got the storage box at the back, it's got the winch which has the remote, it's got the LED warning beacons there. We put the back window in as well, it don't normally come with a back window. It's got the running boards, it's got 8 lashing points, nice ramps. I'll put the details on the ad, but I'm pretty sure the ramps are 7 foot. It's got LED lights at the back, it's got the tow bar, it's had the electrics professionally wired in and hidden down there. Ramps lock and sit underneath, uprated suspension on it, so it's never ever looked low no matter what we've had on it. Big bed with everything we've had on's fitted on without a massive overhang. It's got the sun visor. We obviously had it colour coded as well. It should be colour coded, so we colour coded the bumpers and the grille with the LED lights there. It's got both sets of keys. I mean, I think inside it's clean compared to most cars of this age, never mind a truck. We have got a camera as well which records front and rear. We've just taken it out now while it's sat here. Got the stereo with Bluetooth, Apple Play. It's got the tachograph. So you only need the tacho if you're going to tow with it. If you're not going to tow, you don't need the tacho, and you can drive this on a normal license. This is some of the paperwork. I've kept receipts for every nut, bolt, part, receipt, stamp, service history, books full. The covers do have our company logo on. We had them made a while ago. Just keeps the seats clean. Obviously you could change them to some normal ones, but they are fitted covers. Like I say, it's a 163 BHP, so it's never struggled. It don't feel sluggish. It literally pulls, and although the last few years, if you look on MOT, we've not used it. When we first got it, we were up and down the country all the time in it. So any questions, drop us an email, give us a ring. There's no VAT on it because I bought it before and it was a VAT registered company. Thanks for watching.